What's up with the freaking rain, yo? Like, for real. It's like 3 days in a row. The sun's been shining. Didn't really look like it was gonna rain. And I go somewhere and I come back and I leave my windows down on my truck. And I go in my room and I hear it like pouring down. I have to come out here and go in the room, my windows up. Like 3 days in a row. Like, really. Oh well. Be alright, I reckon. Daggone tornado sirens went off a couple of nights ago. Night before last. It got pretty bad. Actually, it was the night of my last video, I think. So what y'all been doing? Alright. Well, if y'all watch outlaw videos, you should subscribe him, and you can be a mother trucker like myself. I also got a page on Facebook, Rebel Dipper 16. I just started it up a few days ago, and I don't guess I'm ever gonna get to make any good videos outside the house doing stuff. Fucking raindrops bigger than a fucking $50, it looks like. Like son of a tit. This shit. Looks kinda like hell. Rain, rain, rain. Freaking all it's doing, dude. Like there's some tiles that me and my buddy been going fishing at a lot, and you can catch bass when them tiles are running. You can catch a bass like you catch a bram when they're on bed, like bam, bam, bam. And if it ever stops raining before we go fishing, we'll always go catch us a few bass. But daggone, it ain't never gonna stop raining. And bad thing is, the Weather Channel showed, I hate the Weather Channel, it ain't never right. The Weather Channel showed it was supposed to be like sunny today. And then I think they switched it tomorrow. Like, dude. It's ridiculous. The wind's starting to get up too. And maybe it's supposed to storm. Hell, I don't know. I don't guess I really even care. Kick back on my foiler. Yeah. Afterlife. Oh, that's great. I laid down in the drip zone. Son of a tit. Time to move. Damn it. My summer has officially started, and this whole back porch has got to be redone, and this freaking rain ain't helping a damn bit. Son of a tit. And you gotta know freaking Mother Nature's cell phone number? Because, like, I need to call. Okay. I was wanting to go get my girlfriend today and bring her to my house and like build a fire and stuff tonight, but yeah, you ain't gonna do no fire tonight. Lord, it's leaking right there too. What the hell? That's a fresh leak too. The fuck, guys? Hey, Paul. Hey, where's Paul? Come here. What? Come here. There's some new leaks right there in front of the door outside now.
I'm alright. Don't get my plan out on the steps or something.
Dan, who went in their room? Canyon?
Yeah.
Which one? The fern?
Yeah.
Golly, guys, I don't know what's going on with the weather. The fern needs some water. Woo! Look at the garden, guys. The garden's just getting rained out already. Canyon, what in the tits are you doing, son? Canyon, come here. Say hey to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
I said YouTube, not YouTube. It's crazy. Hey, YouTube. That's kind of funny. I want to go mud riding, but my Toyota is messed up. Heck yeah, I was driving to my girlfriend's the other night, or a few weeks ago, and when I'd shift my Toyota into third and then the fifth, and it did make a loud roaring noise. And I told my pa about it, and he said that the seal is leaking, which probably made the bearing go bad. So, yeah. If my phone was rainproof, I'd just like go out there and roll around in a big ass mud hole and video it. JK. No, I probably really would. Yeah. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna make more videos. Subscribe me. Go on Facebook and like my page, Rebel Dipper 16. And I'll have more videos post. See y'all.